Alright, so welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the Moondrop SSR. So very excited to cover this here in this channel versus the Tinhifi, which is the closest IEM in terms of the signature that I have here in the studio. But of course, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. But of course, big thanks to Woo Easy for sending this over. Links down below for their shop. Use my links; it will help out the channel a lot. Let's start the sound test now.
Should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.